Did you know that aloe vera has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for health benefits? What if I told you it could help detox your body effectively? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I discussed what science says about how aloe vera helps in the detoxification of the liver. Naturally, aloe vera's liver detoxification components. And tips for using aloe vera in daily life. Today I will share tasty recipes that incorporate aloe vera for health benefits. 1. Aloe vera lemonade. 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel or aloe vera juice. 1 lemon juiced. 2 cups of water. 1 tablespoon of honey or agave syrup optional. Ice cubes. Now, blend the aloe vera gel with water until smooth. Add the lemon juice and sweetener if using and stir well. Serve over ice and enjoy a refreshing drink. 2. Aloe vera smoothie. 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. 1 cup of spinach. 1 banana. Half cup of pineapple chunks. Half cup of coconut water or almond milk. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds optional. Now, add all the ingredients to a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy a nutrient-packed smoothie. 3. Aloe vera and cucumber cooler. 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. 1 cucumber, peeled and chopped. Half lime, juiced. 1 tablespoon of mint leaves. 1 cup of cold water. Ice cubes. Now, blend the aloe vera gel, cucumber, lime juice, mint leaves, and water until smooth. Strain the mixture to remove pulp if desired. Serve over ice for a cool, hydrating drink. 3. Aloe vera and cucumber cooler. 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Half cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 1 tablespoon of honey. Granola for topping. Now, mix the aloe vera gel with the Greek yogurt and honey. In a glass or bowl, layer the yogurt mixture, berries, and granola. Serve immediately for a healthy breakfast or snack. 5. Aloe vera detox juice. 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. 1 green apple, chopped. 1/2 cucumber. 1/2 lemon, juiced. 1 cup of water or coconut water. A handful of parsley or cilantro. Now, blend all the ingredients until smooth. Strain if you prefer a smoother juice. Pour into a glass and enjoy a detoxifying drink. 6. Aloe vera and ginger tea. 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. 1 cup of hot water. 1 teaspoon of honey optional. Now, add the grated ginger to hot water and let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in the aloe vera gel and honey. Strain the tea and enjoy a warming, soothing drink. These recipes are easy to make and incorporate the health benefits of aloe vera into your daily routine. Remember to always use aloe vera that is specifically prepared for internal consumption, and to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Thanks for watching. For more health-related and wellness videos, don't forget to subscribe.